And I know you like a jukebox playing in the middle of the club. A hot night, baby, and I just can't.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn, and if you're new here, definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below because I post literally whenever I want. So yes, today I am filming a dorm haul for you guys. This time I'm in a different location because I don't have the strength to bring all of this stuff upstairs and then back downstairs, so we're just bringing it down here today. So just for reference, I am going to be attending the University of Alabama. Literally, I move in 10 days. Like, that's crazy. So I thought I would film this video for you guys because I literally love watching these videos so much. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Grab some popcorn, some water. I got my Hydro Flask because I already know I'm going to be talking a lot. And yeah, sit back and relax. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I think I'm going to start with the stuff behind me just to get it out of the way. So first I have these cube things from IKEA. There's two white ones and then two gray ones. And just so you know, my theme of my room is like white, pink, gray, gold, and marble. So that's what we're going for. All right, next I got this huge body pillow from Sam's. It comes with a pillowcase and it was like $13, not expensive at all. It's super duper cute. So yes, I love this and I cannot wait to sleep on it. All right, next to go along with the pillows, I have this 2-pack of pillows from Costco and they're super comfortable and I cannot wait to use these. I feel like they're more comfortable than even the ones I have at home. So I think my bed's about to be way more comfortable at school than it is at home, if I'm being honest. All right, for my bedside table, I am using this cart thing. Everybody knows what this looks like. I'm just gonna put a picture right here for you guys to know what it looks like. This is just from IKEA and it's white to go with the theme of my room. What do you know? Alright, so next I got this really ginormous pillow. It is really cute. It's gonna go on my bed, but you can also put it on the floor just so you can have a cushion when you sit on the floor. This was from Khols. I think it was on sale or something like that because it was originally $60 because I would have not paid that much. Alright, next I got this really fuzzy pillow from, not Costco, what am I talking about? From HomeGoods. It's super duper cute and it's gonna go on my bed. Then I got this super cool floor lamp from IKEA. I'm gonna post a picture right here for you guys so that you know what it looks like. It's gonna go right beside my cart. So this is gonna be great for reading in bed or doing whatever you do. Alright, next I got this mattress pad from Khols and it was like $15. It was half off, so I got one of these. And then next I got this photo thing. I actually think I'm going to take this back because I have no room for it anymore. But I got this from HomeGoods in case y'all were wondering. Alright, then in this huge box back here, this is my desk hutch. I'm not going to lift it because it's going to be way too heavy, but I will just put a picture right here for you guys. I ordered it from dormcode.com and it was like $50. I thought it was a really reasonable price. So it came literally so fast, like really fast. And so it's just the white one. Yes, so I would definitely recommend that. All right, now that I got all the stuff that was like behind me, there's like so much stuff I wish y'all could see over here that I'm gonna go ahead and get into. So first I have this broom that is from Costco. It was a 2-pack because my brother's going to college as well. He's gonna be a junior, but he's a transfer student, so it's his first time living in the dorms as well. So you'll see later on in the video that we share a lot of stuff. So yes, and then I just got a dustpan. Then I got this trash can from Target, and inside I just have the 79-cent cups, a can opener, 2 plates, 2 bowls, and then these ice cube things because I don't know if my dorm has like an ice maker or anything like that. Next, this is my laundry basket. It's white, it's on wheels. And so I just have some stuff inside. So first I have this shoe organizer. I'm going to put it in my closet. Next I have this desk lamp. This is from Bed Bath & Beyond. So is this. I'll try and list everything down below for you guys, link everything down below for you guys, so that if you want to buy this stuff as well, you can. So this is just this desk lamp. And then I also have this bed organizer just hanging off the side of your bed. This is from Khols. Next I have this power extension cord. This is from Big Lots. Next I have this first aid kit. It has like a lot of necessities in it. Neosporin, band-aids, everything you really need. Next I have a shower curtain liner and some shower curtain hooks. And then I have 2 clip fans. I'm just going to show you one, and that is from Bed Bath & Beyond. Alright, next from Walmart, I got these 2 bulletin board things that I'm going to put on my desk hutch so I can put photos or whatever I want, and I think they were about $6 from Walmart. And then I have this huge dry erase board. It can't even fit in the frame. This was $15 from TJ Maxx. Alright, so next I have literally all this stuff over here, so I'm going to try and make this quick because my camera's flashing and I've already filmed this once and I'm just don't want to film it again. Alright, so we have these Downy Unstoppable beads from Costco. If you don't have these things, I don't have no clue what you're doing. They're literally amazing. Totally recommend. Then I have these 2 tension rods. My closet door does not have a door, so we have to buy curtains. Then I have a toothbrush holder just to go by my sink. Then we have these really cute pillowcases. They are from TJ Maxx. They just have elephants on them. To go with the whole Alabama, you know, roll tide. Then next I have these sheet grippers. They just go on your sheets so then your sheets don't come off. They were from TJ Maxx for $3. Then I got this really cute photo frame that says friends and it's pink, and I'm just going to put a picture of my friends in here and just put it wherever I want in my dorm. Alright, next I have this really cute elephant plant thing, and it is from Target. It was $13. It's so cute. Roll Tide. Alright, next I have 2 boxes of tissues. My brother and I both got 2. We bought a 4-pack, split it. You'll see that's a common reoccurring thing in this haul. Then I got this pack of washcloths. I'm going to take these back, I think, because I already have plenty of washcloths that I already bought. I just didn't remember, but these things are really soft. I actually might keep them. I don't know. They were from TJ Maxx for $7. Next, I have this paper towel holder. This is from Big Lots. I don't remember how much it was, but it is super cute and it goes with the theme of my room. Then I got this shower curtain. It is so cute. And this was from Target, and I think this was about $20, which is kind of expensive. Alright, then from TJ Maxx I got this really cute dish. It's just an elephant. I'm gonna put my rings, jewelry, anything in here, and this is $6. It's really cute. Alright, next I got this basket set from Big Lots. I don't really know where I'm gonna put this. I just got it because it was pretty cheap. And then I got this elephant again. It has gold on it. It's super cute. And then I have a lint roller, and then a little dish sponge. Next, I have this makeup organizer. This is from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's super cute, and this is just going to go on my desk. Then I have this box of Tide Pods. Actually, they're Kirkland brand. But we just went to Costco since my brother and I are both going to college. We just bought this huge bin and then split them between us because I literally don't need 150 loads. That's just unrealistic. So I just got this and we split it, and it works perfectly fine. Lap desk. This was from TJ Maxx for $15. It just sits, as you can see, and then this also lifts up somehow. Oh, like this. And you can put your desk or your laptop or anything on there. Alright, next I got this dry erase board to put on the back of our door so that if I need to write a message to my roommate or anything, I can, or vice versa. So next I just got this step stool. We have some drawers above the toilet, and they're really high, my mom said, so we just got this from Five Below for $5. Then I got this super cute garland. It just looks like this. I have no clue where I'm gonna put it, but we're gonna find a place. Then I got this outdoor blanket. It's super cute. It's from Costco for $5, and I'm gonna use this on the fur or whatever. I'm just gonna keep it in the back of my car. And then next I got this Swiffer sweeper. Just because my floor definitely needs one of these because nobody comes and cleans our room, just us. So got one of those. It was from Big Lots. Then I got some bath mats, both from Khols. So I got this gray one to go in front of our sink that's in our room. And then I got this teal one to go in front of the shower. So this one goes with our theme in the shower, and this one goes with our theme in the room. Also, I got some towels. They're actually in the washing machine right now. I just got 3 gray simple towels from Khols as well. For my bedding, I just got this white comforter. I know it's gonna get dirty, but we'll get there. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. It's just from Roomify. It was about $30, I think. So we got this right here. My buddy's here. Can you sit, bud? All right, so next I got this 64 pack of Tupperware containers. Like I said before, my brother and I are both going to college, so we're going to split this, divvy it up, and then we'll have the perfect amount. All right, so next I got this really big and pink blanket from Khols, and it was so cute. I still have to wash it, but Sullivan, bruh. But yeah, so super cute. Love it a lot. Bro, you're in the shot. You're in the shot. You're in the shot. Go, 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 go. Next, I got these 2 drawer organizers from IKEA, and they fit perfectly, so I just got those. Then I got some bag chip clips. So next I got these 2 sets of sheets. So I got this pink print and then this gingham print. They are both in the washer machine right now, so I just have the covers to them because I wanted to show you what they looked like. I got these both from Target for about $20. Then I got this pillow sham. It's just pink, black, white, gold from IKEA. And then to go with that, I got the pillow inserts. Then I got these 2 drawer organizers for my drawers that go under my bed. I already have these at home, but I thought I would get some just to have at college. Next I have these 2 or 3 packs of command strips. Just a quick tip is to go to Costco and buy the big huge pack of command strips. It'll work out really great. So I just got these, and then these I'm gonna hang by the door. And then I also have these simple ones. I don't know what I'm gonna use them for yet. And next I have a beach towel. My roommate is from Mobile, so she's right by the water. So I brought a beach towel just in case, you know. Next I just have some folders from Target, so they're super cute. I have these, but I'm going to be using my iPad to take notes, but just in case the professor doesn't let me use my iPad or have electronics, I have those just in case. All right, we're nearing the end of this haul, thank goodness, because I already know this is going to be 20 years long. So next I have my mattress memory foam 4-inch mattress topper. I definitely recommend this. It's from Amazon. It was super cheap for what it is. It was $77, and I usually found them for like I think it was $200, which is ridiculous for a mattress topper that I'm only going to be using 1 year. So I have this, super convenient. I will definitely link this down below and everything else like I said before. I have 3 packs of toilet paper. My parents went to Sam's and got a 5-pack for my brother and I to split. Next I got a toilet bowl cleaner brush, and then I have my steamer because laundry board, like laundry thingies, what are they called? Ironing boards suck. And then I have 2 packs of Ziploc bags because when I go and take stuff out of the dining hall, you know. Then we have these color catchers. These things are amazing. If you don't use these, definitely go get them. And then I have some Shout. Awesome. If you know me, I get stains on my shirts all the time. And then I have this jewelry organizer. I'm going to put a picture right here for you guys because I'm not going to take it out of the box yet because I have to build it, and it's just easier to transport like this. Then instead of buying Windex, we bought these Windex like towels, so super convenient. Then we got some disinfecting wipes from Costco. We bought a huge pack, and once again my brother and I split them. All right, next this is the school supplies bag. Like I said, I'm using my iPad for most of my school supplies, but I did just want to get a few different things so that just in case, like I said before. So I have some highlighters, index cards, a stapler. We bought a 40-pack of pencils and split them, a pack of a pair of scissors, and then some mini dry erase markers. And then once again, we bought a huge pack and split. We just bought a 6-pack of laundry soap, not laundry, just regular soap. And so we each got 3. And then this is the medicine bag. So I have some ibuprofen, Tums, and then Tylenol Cold Severe. Because in Alabama, the legal age is 19. So I can't really buy the cold medicine there. Like what? Until like a month in. Like I turn 19 September 20th, but we start school like the August 22nd, so that's like really weird. And last and final thing is all of my toiletries and such of that sort. All right, so I have a razor, some dish soap, not really a toiletry, I don't know why that's in there, some trash bags, some Nivea cocoa butter lotion. All of this is from Target unless I specify. Got this for I have 4 toothbrushes. Once again, we got an 8-pack of toothbrushes from Costco and then split them up. So that's how I got these. Then I have some face sticks, some shaving cream, some sunscreen, because if you know me, I burn so easily. Oh my gosh, can we talk about how cute these things are? They are mini single-use makeup remover wipes. Like, they're so cute. Oh, cannot. All right, then I have a 2-pack of makeup remover wipes from Target. I got some shampoo and conditioner, my fave. You should see my lap right now. Then I got some body wash. This Himalayan salt smells divine. And then lastly and finally for this haul, oh my gosh, praise the Lord, just kidding, is some Crest 3D white toothpaste. Once again, got a 5-pack from Costco. We split to me, to my brother, and then my parents got another pack. So we're done, boys. All right, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Definitely, if you enjoyed this video, definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Since I am starting school, I'm going to be vlogging at school and vlogging my move-in and everything like that, so you don't want to miss that video, so definitely hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to go follow me on all of my social medias. They will definitely be linked on the screen right here and down below for you guys to simply just click. And like I said before, all of the products in this video will be linked down below as well. And yes, so thank you guys so much for watching. I have to go put all of this stuff away now, and wish me luck in moving in about 10 days. I'm so excited but nervous at the same time. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.